So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. Nowadays you all might have seen that there are a lot of keywords that help your website gain more popularity and also more visibility to the user. But do you want to know that how your competitor is more visible to the people than you? Well, that is what I am going to teach you. And you might see that there are a lot of experts on this topics that charge you a lot of money to do this, but I am going to teach you these things for free, and that also we will do just using two AI tools that I am going to show you today in this video. So let's start the video, and before starting the video I just want you to know that we have an AI tools workshop in which you can enroll for 9 rupees, in which you will get knowledge about AI tools and also about MS Office with ChatGPT.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
So the number one tool that we are going to use is Uber Suggest, and Uber Suggest is a really amazing tool and you get one search for free of the keywords, but if you sign up you get 3 searches per day for free, but after that it's paid. So for this example we'll take a site like chipperbirds.com and you can see all the stats like what are the organic keywords, what is the organic monthly traffic. There is this so now if you see there is this column top SEO pages where it's given like the top topics that are being like visited by the people or like that are being discovered. These are the keywords that are being searched by the people like prettiest bird, top 30, and these are the like keywords that will help you scrape your competitor, and you can get to know what are the relevant keywords that you should be using for your ranking to top, that you should also be using to get your ranking on top. And using this AI you can also like increase your ranking but also reduces your cost of hiring an SEO expert who would take a lot of money to do the same. And all the keywords, if you see, like they have a volume, like what is the volume, what is the position, and what are the estimated visits, and these are arranged in the terms of like most searched to the least searched keywords. And now you can see there are some keywords like pretty birds, bird symbol is penguin, a bird, like whatever mainly the people are searching on that website, which will be of your competitor, whatever site it is, you would know about your competitor. These websites set a standard for people that this is what people want to read, and this makes an authoritative figure for people, like this becomes the benchmark for them. And you can also do that by learning that what type of keywords they are writing in their website to like index themselves better. And now if you see that it's showing that you are using a public version of Uber Suggest, in which you get 1 free search, but if you register you can get 3 free searches per day. And if you see organic monthly traffic is also shown, like how much traffic organically they get, and also the organic keywords. And if you want you can copy all the keywords to your file, and also if you want you can like export this to CSV. And now if you want to put a filter that the volume should be more than 1,000 in number, so you can write the SEO difficulty also if you want to put a keyword about the filters on that. So if we take like 0 to 35, it's going to be accurate. But let me tell you this thing, that this is a free tool. It might not be that accurate, but it would be this accurate that your work will be done at a small level. But if you want it on a larger level, you need to buy the premium version of it. But now if you see the keywords are there, and this is how you can use Uber Suggest to like get yourself like you can. So this is how you can use Uber Suggest to make your visibility better by seeing the keywords that your competitor are using and using those keywords in your website or on your blogs or pages to like index yourself better, to make your visibility better. So if you have reached till here in the video, I believe that you are really liking the video, and if you are liking the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more about AI, ChatGPT or MS Office with AI and ChatGPT, you can attend our AI workshop that is just available for 9 rupees, where we teach you AI tools that are more than 1,000 in a number, and I am just teaching you 2. But believe me, when you learn these many tools, you will become irreplaceable at your position and also in your career, and these AI tools will really help you to increase your productivity. So if you want to join our AI workshop, the link is in the description, and remember, this is just available for 9 rupees. So let's continue the video ahead and let's move on to the second tool. So the second tool that we are going to use is Google Bard. And believe me, when I talk about this ChatGPT competitor Google Bard, it really works well for keywords and also like if you want the indexing better, it can tell you the score, it can tell you the priority score, it can tell you the search volume, it can tell you the competition level. And this really works in a really good way. The algorithm that works for it is really amazing, believe me. So I just went on Google Bard and said, give me keywords related to birds and their competition slash search volumes, then create a priority score and prioritize the best keywords to target for SEO. So if you see, it has just given like, sure, here are some keywords that you can use: birds, type of birds, birds watching, bird song, bird migration, bird feeder. And if you like, it has also given you a formula that if you want to calculate the priority search, what you need to do, or it's telling that how you can do this for yourself. So the priority score formula is competition divided by 10 plus search volume, and this formula gives more weight to search volume. So keywords with a high search volume and low competition will have a high priority score. And it's really cool because now this can be like shared to your Excel sheet and it will be directly pasted over there, and you have this whole table that is already ready for you with the keywords and what is that competition. And it's very easy to create these documents based on your research, where the research is already done for you and you just need to use them now to get better indexed. And now you just need to use these keywords to get better indexed and get a better visibility. And also it shows you some additional tips for targeting keywords for SEO, like use long tail keywords, use relevant keywords, optimize your website for target keywords, build backlinks to your website. So this is how you can take help of Google Bard and Uber Suggest to get the right keywords that your competitor might be using, or someone, a big brand, might be using to like get that discoverability on web. And we all know how important it is. Once you build a website or a blog publishing site, you need to get discovered by people so people can read you or interact with the content you publish. And that is it for this video. So if you like the information, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment if you have any doubt, and also don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And also remember that if you want to learn more about AI and ChatGPT or AI tools, you can attend our workshop that is just available for 9 rupees, and the link would be in the description. Do check that out. And that is it for this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and keep learning.